morning, fam. Good morning, guys. How are you? Happy Sunday to every one of you out there. Good morning. How are you doing? How is weekend? How is your weekend? Anyways, my weekend is very beautiful. It's fine. I had a very peaceful night and I'm keeping safe. And I hope you guys are keeping safe too. So today, I've just finished my online church because we don't have church, a physical church, because we are on lockdown, level 5 lockdown or level 5 restriction, whichever way they. So you can go out for essential things. So therefore, the churches are online now. So I just finished my online service, which is pretty cool and convenient. I love that. So I want to have some time to cook, and I want to carry you guys along with me. I'm going to cook stew for my children, and probably I'll be able to make some other items in this. So I'm just going to carry you along as my day is this Sunday. So guys, let us go. The first one now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my meat and boil it. So let's go. Let's boil meat together. Tomorrow, so I'm thinking of making a lot of different dishes for the week, because this week will be so busy for me. I'll be working back to back, so I want to try to make use of the opportunity of being home today to make different dishes and put in the fridge. I want to batch cook here. So guys, I've decided to change to boil the meat in two different places. So I'll boil chicken here and I'll boil my turkey in the other one there, because this pot will be too small for it, and I'm lazy to bring out my big pot because I've already prepared it. So I decided to to portion it in two places. So I'm going to boil my turkey here and chicken there. And actually that makes sense, because turkey takes time for it to have taste. It takes a lot of seasoning for turkey to have good taste. So guys, something saddens my heart. It's not really a big deal, but to me, it's a big deal to us in our family. So is like my daughter will be 16 in 2 weeks time. So we've been planning her birthday. We've been planning her 16th birthday from the time she was 14. She's the only girl in the family. So we'll be like, oh, how are we going to celebrate your sweet 16? Tell us what you want, this and that. Though the siblings, they always give her presents every year. But I've been looking forward to the time that my girl will turn 16, because I've seen a lot of sweet 16 birthday pictures, videos, YouTube videos and everything. So we'll be looking forward to that. So this November, she's going to turn 16. And this year, we were planning. I was asking her, please give me your budget, your bill. Tell me your plan beforehand so that I will know how to prepare myself, because I know she's always on the high side of things. So we've been planning this since January. Oh, your birthday is going to be like this. What do you want to do? Do you want to go to cinema? Do you want to have a big party? Do you want to take your friends to a restaurant? We're planning. So I just told her, it's your day. Do it the way you want to do it. Let me know so that I'll know how to budget. Lo and behold, our country here in Ireland, we are on level 5. Whoever is there, if you come in, you are coming into my video, and I would appreciate if you So that's her there. So she's sitting on the floor so that you guys will not see her. Don't worry. So I will be planning and planning, but unfortunately we are on level 5 lockdown or level 5 restriction, which means no, it's non-essential shops will be open. We can't go anywhere. She can't go and celebrate any in a restaurant. She can't go to any eateries. She can't go to cinema. We can't do anything. So it can only be done in our house here. And then on the other side of it is we can't even shop for birthday items in Ireland because none of those shops will open because they are not essential items. So I ordered some items for her online. I ordered her birthday gifts. I want to give her 16 different birthday gifts. So because she's turning 16, so she's going to get 16 different birthday gifts. So we ordered online. Hopefully it will come before her birthday. We'll just give her something and we'll do the party here as we can. We don't even know where to buy cake. I can make cake, but I don't know if I don't want to commit myself. So we are trying to see some bakers here if someone can order online. So we're going to order her birthday cake online. I ordered all the birthday decoration and everything online. But the most painful part of it is like we are not going to be able to. She's not going to be able to have a party with her friends. She has been attending her friends' birthday parties, but unfortunately, we can't do. She only did her 10th. Was it your 10th birthday that you did last?
Yeah, Mom, I lost my Irish notes.
What?
I lost my Irish notes.
Congrats. So she only did 10. The last birthday she did was 10th birthday. But anyway, we can't do anything about it. That's why. So that's what is paining us here. That we're like, oh, we are not going to celebrate this sweet 16 that we've been shouting and been preparing for. Now what, guys? I'm mistaking this for plum tomato. So now I have my meat ready. I have everything ready. But guess what I don't have in the house? The most essential ingredient, tomatoes. I don't have plum. I don't have any. So I'm just going to cook. I have 2 passatas and I have 2 plum tomatoes. Is it even one? I only have 1 plum tomato. So look at that. I only have this one, just one. So I'm going to reduce the amount of sauce that I want to cook because I'm not going anywhere today. I'm not going to buy anything, so I'll just cook something too tedious for me to cook today, cook on Wednesday. I don't do that. I always batch cook. I cook my big pot of stew for them to be eating, but unfortunately I can't do that. So I checked around in the freezer and I found this. So I will add it with the 2 passatas and 1 of the plum tomato. That should be okay. And I have 6 or 5 bell pepper. I have 5 and I still have in the freezer. I can even add more, so it will be okay. So I may not cook on Wednesday because I don't want to cook on Wednesday. So I'm like, how do I do it? And I don't want to go to town to go buy. So I'm boiling my pepper now, and my chicken is in the oven, is grilling. So I quickly want to boil my noodles. This is, I don't even know how you guys will say this thing. Yes, it's spelt noodles. It's just a substitute for carbs. It's very healthy, so it's an organic spelt noodle. So you can search up the health benefits of this spelt.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here.
It's like water, tasteless, like water. Just when you want to quench your thirst. That's one thing about watermelon. Some will be tasty, some will be just tasteless. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce it. What's hey? Let me know. What's that? I don't know. What's it called? Alex? Do you know how to pronounce this? Wash Shasha. It is British name. Those are share, Yorkshire or whatever. I don't know. This is it. Yep. Ready. This is for me, and I'm going to cook spaghetti for the children with their red sauce. Oh my God, carry me they go from anywhere better they carry me they go. Anywhere my sis speaks, carry me they go. So guys, this is the one I'm taking to work tomorrow. This is the one I'm taking to work tomorrow. This is the one I'm eating now. That's mine, and I'll keep this in the fridge for later. Maybe when I come back from work tomorrow. Yes, they changed their minds. I mean, they changed my mind. They want this. They don't want spaghetti, so I'm going to cook this for them. See you. See you, Desmond. You are angry with that woman, isn't it? No matter. Do what I want you to do. Thank you for listening. What did you have for breakfast? You know it. What about lunch? Come here. I will just pack it and leave it in the fridge or in the fridge, so you serve yourself. All right, I'm not coming downstairs when I've gone upstairs. Yeah, I've achieved a lot today. Actually, I've not cooked my sauce, my stew. I'm still boiling down the pepper, so I'm cooking their spaghetti now. I've cooked my food, and the remaining one that I'll take to work tomorrow, it's there. So my tomorrow is sorted. When I come back from work tomorrow again, if I don't eat from work, I may eat that one in the fridge. You know, I portioned it into 3 places: the one I will eat now, the one I will take to work, and the one I will eat if I come back from work. So that's sorted. And I'm going to cook this spinach, just 1 bag. I have 3 bags in there, but I'm going to cook just 1 bag. The reason is, number one, I'm tired. Then I didn't boil. I have pomo in the freezer. I have shake, but I didn't boil them, and I'm not going to go through that process today. So, because I even need to bring it out and defrost it. Then my stock fish panla is there. I need to boil it, and it's past 3, so it will go through. I don't want to go through that rigorous type of cooking today. I've gone through enough for today, because I'm working very early tomorrow. I'll be on the road again. So I'm just going to cook this bag, so that if I come back from work tomorrow, if I don't feel like eating, because for eating that spaghetti or noodles for like 3 different meals, I may be tired of it. So I'll just quickly cook this one now and leave it in the fridge. And if I don't use it today, tomorrow on Tuesday, because I told you I'm going to walk back to back. That means working and going back, going today, going back tomorrow, going today, going back. So my week is ahead of me is very busy. You may be wondering, what's the big deal in working back to back Monday to Friday? It's different when you are doing 12-hour shifts. You know, 9 to 5. Some people do 9 to 5 and they do it Monday to Friday consistently, but it's just 8-hour shifts. But when you have to like do 12 hours long shift, long day, or if it is night, it makes a lot of difference. Then coupled with the fact that I'm going to drive down, which is an hour and 10 minutes, and I'm going to drive down again 1 hour and 10 minutes. So let's say 1 hour each. With my 12 hours, that's 14 hours of back to back. My dear, it's no easy. So that's why I always like to prepare myself, have enough food in the fridge. You see, I'm so tired. but I still have to cook my spinach. Then I'll be done with cooking for today. Oh guys, I've finished cooking look at my small sauce, my small efori. So I didn't have much in it. I only have smoked turkey and fish, but it's okay. So some other time I'll boil my shaki, another thing. So I have this left. So this is my sauce. I finished cooking, so that's it. And this one is just for like 2 days. I will add some chicken with it or turkey. Thanks for watching. Thanks for cooking with me today. It was a very, very, very long and busy day, but at least I achieved a lot of things. I achieved everything that I wanted to achieve. So it was a productive day for me. So thanks for watching. And if you like what we are doing on this channel, you might consider subscribing. We will be so happy to have you as one of the members in this family. Please try and click the notification bell where you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.